Hey everyone, it's Lisa from the blog farmhouseonboone.com, and today I want to show you one of my kids' favorite treats when they come in from playing out in the snow in the winter, and that is healthy hot chocolate. So my kids love hot chocolate as much as the next kid, and of course I want them to have whole food ingredients. So I make it with milk that we get from a farm, maple syrup or honey for the sweetener, cocoa powder, and just a few more simple ingredients so that they aren't getting hydrogenated oils or artificial sugar, anything like that. It's super simple to make, and I'm sure your kids will love it too. You can start by adding 2 cups of milk to a small saucepan on medium heat. Now make sure not to walk away because this has a tendency to boil over and it'll only take just a couple seconds to heat it up. Now I like to use the milk that we get from a local farm. It is raw, and this of course makes it not raw, but at least it's organic and whole, and it's a nice quality milk. 1/4 cup honey. In this demonstration I use honey, but maple syrup is good for a little extra treat if you have it on hand. 1/4 cup cocoa. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, which I show here on my channel. I'll link below how to make that yourself, and a dash of salt. I think everything that's sweet tastes just a little better with salt. Just whisk it up until everything is incorporated. And serve it up. You can also top it with some fresh whipped cream or whipped coconut cream, and it will be delicious on a cold winter day. You can also substitute the milk for coconut milk if you are a dairy-free family. We've done that before also. Tastes great, and then you can top it with whipped coconut cream. It's a great treat, especially now that the colder days are on their way. My kids love to come in and have it. And one of my kids even likes to make it herself, which usually makes a mess, but she can get the job done. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this short video. I hope that you enjoy making your own healthy homemade hot chocolate. I have a printable recipe card on the blog, which I'll link below so that you can print this off and make all winter long. Well, thank you so much for watching. If you're brand new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. I make 2 new videos every week on food from scratch, natural living, and a handmade home. Thank you so much for stopping by the farmhouse.